Good morning to everyone. This is Sai Deepak from CSE department. Today's my tech talk topic is object-oriented analysis. Introduction to the object-oriented analysis. Object-oriented analysis is a software engineered method used to model a system based on the objects and their interactions. Object-oriented analysis focuses on understanding the problem domain and identifying the objects that will be part of the system. The goal of object-oriented analysis is to create a detailed and comprehensive analysis model that serves as a foundation for the design and implementation phases. Analysis model to design model, classes, objects, attributes, data structures, methods, algorithms, relationships, messaging, behavior control. Benefits of object-oriented analysis. Object-oriented analysis promotes modular and reusable code by encapsulating data and behavior within objects. It enhances code maintainability and flexibility, allowing for easier modifications and updates. Object-oriented analysis improves software quality by providing a clear understanding of the problem domain and its relationships. Key concepts in object-oriented analysis: objects represent real-world or conceptual entities that have state and behavior. Classes: blueprints or templates for creating objects, defining their properties and methods. Inheritance allows classes to inherit the properties and behaviors of other classes, promoting code reuse. OOPs concept: class encapsulation, object inheritance, abstraction, polymorphism, association, composition, aggregation. The example for the object-oriented analysis. We can see different types of concepts of groups. It can be used in also object-oriented analysis. Moving to next slide. Understanding the problem domain. Analyzing the problem domain involves identifying the main entities, their attributes, and their relationships. Use case diagram help capture the interaction between actors and system, providing a high-level view of system's functionality. The problem involves that identifying the main entities and attributes. By using of object-oriented analysis, problem domain involves identifying the main entities and attributes. So here we can see that use case diagrams help capture the interactions between actors and the system, providing a high-level view of systems functionality. Domain models represents the problem domain with class diagrams showing the relationships between class and the attributes. Creating analysis models. Here the example of creating analysis models. Activity diagram depict the flow of activities within the system, illustrating the sequence of actions and decisions. State machine diagrams describe the different states an object can be in and the events that causes cause transitions between states. Collaboration diagrams shows the interaction between object and increasing the messages sent during a specific scenario. Here we can see initial node, control flow, action, decision, activity parameter node, activity, initial node, action, activity parameter node, cell behavior action, interpretable activity region, action, pin, object flow, object, activity parameter node, signal sound, and action, event action, conditional node, action, Condition 1, action 1, condition 2, action 2, condition 3, action 3. The loop mode. There are three actions here. Flow finally. The activity field final mode, expansion region action, action, except event action. This is the creating asset models. You can see this example in the slide. Use of UML in object-oriented analysis. UML is nothing but Unified Modeling Language. UML is a standard notation for visualizing, specifying constructions, and documenting software systems. Here you can see UML diagram for component plus operations, and plus add, plus remove, plus get child. These are the components. Next, we move to the child to parent component operations add, remove, get child. These are composites. Leaf operation. This all comes from child to child class to parent class. UML diagrams such as class diagrams, use case diagrams, and activity diagrams provide a common language for communication and collaboration. UML enables stakeholders to have a clear and consistent understanding of system structure and behavior. UML is easy to understand the structure and clear behavior of the systems. UML class diagrams, use case diagram, activity provide a common language for communication and collaboration. Common UML is used to documenting software systems and constructing documents. You may have a clear and consistent understanding of systems. This is called UML object-oriented analysis. Challenges in object-oriented analysis. Identifying the correct objects and their relationships can be challenging, requiring a deep understanding of problem. So nothing but challenging in object-oriented analysis is the correct objects and their relationships can be challenging, requiring a deep understanding between the problem domain to get correct objects and relationships. These are the what object analysis. Balancing the level of detail in analysis models can be difficult as too much detail can lead to complexity and confusion. Adapting to changing requirements can be challenging as modifications in the analysis model may require adjustment in subsequent phases. Nearly time is great teacher, but unfortunately it kills all its people. It is given by vector measures. Object-oriented analysis versus traditional approaches. Traditional approaches focus more on procedural design and tend to be less modern and reusable. Traditional approaches used for procedural and tend to be less modern and can be reusable. Object-oriented analysis promotes encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Here, capsulation means binding of data. Inheritance means getting inheritance from parent to child. Polymorphism became applied in many forms, resulting in more flexible and maintainable code. Using this concept, here we can define object-oriented analysis promotes from so and so primitive data. Object-oriented analysis emphasizes understanding the problem domain and modeling system based on real-world entities, leading to clearer preference of systems. Conclusion: Object-oriented analysis is a powerful method for understanding the modeling complex systems. It enhances software quality, flexibility, and maintainability. By using UML diagram in following key object-oriented analysis concept, analytic can create comprehensive analysis models that serve as a solid foundation for software development. What is object-oriented analysis and design? Object-oriented analysis and design is a software engineering approach that models A system has a group of interacting objects. Analysis, undertaking, understanding, finding, describing concepts in the problem domain. Design, understanding the defining software solution objects that represent the analysis concepts and will eventually be implemented in code. Analysis is object-oriented and design is object-oriented in software development approach that emphasizes a logical solution based on objects. References we take references from this learners to therefore applying VMware patterns. Introduction to object-oriented analysis physics. We can record this for the object-oriented analysis. Thank you, everyone.